What's up, guys? Today, me, King Sean, but it's gonna be another channel, which is gonna be James Thompson. So, you got Forza Horizon 3 going on. Well, right there. Well, I don't know, but if y'all can't see it, then too bad. There's the i8. The i8 right there. And then, yeah, that's the i8. I'm gonna try to get the quality to get better. And yeah. So let's see if you guys can see the TV. So I'm gonna just adjust it. You guys can see. Stay tuned. Alright. Can y'all see the TV? Tell me if y'all can't see the TV. So if y'all can't see it, oh well. I'm gonna try to let you guys see it. I'm gonna try to make it, edit it. I remember how to edit. So if y'all see that I don't edit, I'll just edit for later. And yeah, so I wanted to play Forza Horizon 3 with you guys, but it looks like you can't see the TV. Well, I can actually put it right here. Right there. See it? So y'all can see it now. I'm going to get my i8 done, and then I'm gonna go to play, and then I'm gonna come back with you guys. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so 1 second. If you guys can't see it, let me know, and I'll just do the quality. Do in the comments down below right now so you can do it. But 1 second. Well, it looks like you can't find the brightness button, so I think that's what you guys have to live with right now. But let's see if I can turn off the light and you guys can see it. Well, doesn't look like you guys can see it, but well, I got my fresh haircut, so as y'all can see, got it right here. So Bruno, shout out to him for my haircut. See my edge. So they caught it curl, but y'all can't see it. But let's get it. Ready, set, 1 second. Okay guys, so we are into the game and we're gonna drive the i8 right now. And now I'm going to drive the i8. And Warren's saying that I have a rumor. So we're gonna see if there's really rumor. But I'm not going that far. I'm not gonna go 7 miles or 8 miles. I'm staying right by on the maybe we might even do a Goliath race. So you guys stay tuned for that. This car is in sport mode, so that's why you're gonna hear it. There's my horn, and yeah. So now we are over here at Yarra Valley, and I'm gonna go into the car and see what's gonna happen. So right now I'm at Yarra Valley, so we're gonna do something. got a perk. I only have 2, so let's see how much I can get out of that. PRT, 10 more credits of rival events. And yeah, but I don't know what is going to happen now because, well, I'm going to try to see what I can do. We get $30,000. So now guys, we are in sport mode, so you're going to hear all this stuff. Before, when you guys heard it, well, since it's my first time doing this new channel. The first time I heard it, it was like, bleh. But now, well guys, I'm going to go to Blizzard Mountain. If you guys want to see the blizzards. I'm just going to go to Blizzard Mountain for you guys to see that and stuff. So, and this is a DLC car. You see, I have a Akira NSX. This is from a car pack, and then I got Blizzard Mountain. So here is Blizzard Mountain, and that's where I'm gonna fast travel, guys. So we're gonna fast travel to Blizzard Mountain. We're gonna fast travel to the airport, and then we're gonna get to Blizzard Mountain. So there's a sneak peek of Blizzard Mountain, guys. There's the I-8. It's the E-Drive. Alright, so now we're gonna travel. He said, would you like to launch the Forza Horizon 3 Blizzard Mountain expansion? Yes. And then when I go there, my I-8's gonna have snow tires. And that's what I really don't like about it. We're waiting for it. What? So guys, we're at Blizzard Mountain right now, and my I-8's right there. You still have all your cars. So we're gonna enter festival and see you get stars instead of the festival. And so guys, I'm going to show you guys the Forza Vista. So we're going to go see, look at this beauty. So first you got that. Slambo doors. Like that. So I'm going to do it like that. So it's gonna look like that. I'm gonna turn on the lights and show you guys the back. The back lights turn on too. What's this? There's no history about it. Well, we're gonna close this door. Well, come inside this part, and then we're gonna close the door. So you can't start it from here, but you have to start it from the driver's seat. So guys, I'm gonna close the door, and there it is. Like somebody's driving this. Like somebody's driving this. Gotta press that. Comes out. One day I'll do a vlog about my Ferraris. In my game. Y'all hear that? So it says sport mode is orange. When it's blue, you won't get no sounds. Sport. I'm gonna close the door because so the second one is the one that takes up the speeds. The first one gets the kilometers and all that, and then this gets all the stuff. Hear that fire? Whoa. We're gonna hit the road because we're gonna hit the road. So guys, it's gonna go a little dark and all that. So guys, just give me 1 second. Doesn't make any sense. So I'm just gonna turn it back on because it doesn't make any sense. So guys, we are back. We're gonna go. There's a river again.
It sounds like somebody left a car abandoned out there on Blizzard Mountain. Go find him, mate. Oh, the fella must be freezing.
Now I have to turn around, guys. And everybody's at the festival with the jacket on. Well, I just entered the wrong turn. So, we're driving. And I can return the Byron Bay if I want. Right here. That's what I'm not gonna do. So I can't play a mountain. And this is what I get. Here are some snow tires for my car. Of course my driver tires gonna have a jacket on because it is freezing. So my driver tire has a little furry jacket. And let's get it, guys. We're gonna go and get the XP board. And we're gonna see if the rumor's true. So first, when we get there, guys, when we get there, so guys, we got to the 5,000 XP. We hit that board. 5,000. We're gonna see if the rumor is true. But there's nothing over there for me to find. Doesn't make any sense. Because what if somebody did a real lot and can't find it? That's a bad habit. Because, guys, people leaving cars somewhere, and then all of a sudden, the rumor is not true because somebody still has that car. That makes no sense. Makes no sense because you're just telling people lies and all that stuff, and you want to let people come look for things that are not true. I know what I'm saying. Snow tires. That's already gold. And so basically what this thing is if something is scrambled. So there's a blizzard warning there because